Welcome to the Ports and Shipping News from Visakhapatnam. The Kerala government has approved a revised coastal shipping incentive scheme on loaded containers moving between Kochi and non-major ports in the state. The incentive on freight will now be disbursed according to the rate chart fixed on various routes. It was originally fixed at 10% above the road transportation cost. The scheme will be applicable to loaded containers shipped between the International Container Transshipment Terminal ICTT at Vallarapadam in Cochin Port Trust and non-major ports in the state such as Kollam, Bayapur and Ajkal. The incentive has been set at 12,790 for 20-foot loaded containers and 16,627 for 40-foot loaded container from Kochi to Bayapur. For shipment from Kochi to Ajkal port, the incentive will be 20,774 for a 20-foot loaded containers and 27,007 for a 40-foot loaded containers. The incentive for the Kochi to Kollam route will be 10,200 for a 20-foot loaded container and 13,259 for a 40-foot loaded container according to an October 8th government order issued by the Fisheries and Port Department. The incentives will be valid till January 23 next year. The Kerala government has also directed ship operators to share at least 20% of the incentive amount with the traders, exporters, importers to promote coastal shipping in the state. The rate chart on coastal shipping moves the ambiguity emanating an order issued by the Kerala government in January this year, whereby incentive of 10% above the road transportation cost works out by National Transportation Planning and Research Center was disbursed to coastal shipping operators. National Transportation Planning and Research Center studied focus on container trailers paying from and to ITCT at Vallarapadam. The incentive scheme was modified to avoid misinterpretation and miscalculation, the Fisheries and Port Department said in October 8th order. Container trailer operating industry works in a free market regime where the rates are set by the individual owners. The government felt that the incentive amount should be fixed rate. Otherwise, when trailer operators increases the rates, the incentive payout will also go up, upsetting the budget, government officials said. The coastal shipping industry notes that the decision to fix a rate chart for disbursing the incentives will bring much needed clarity to schemes and remove scope for disagreements. This will incentivize more operators to start short sea service linking ICTT Vallarapadam with the minor ports in the state and benefit the export-import trade, said the industry sources. Kerala is the only state that is currently offering an incentive to boost coastal shipping, a transportation mode that seeks to tap India's long coastline for moving cargo to cut logistic costs and reduce pollution. The Kerala government is holding ministerial discussions to extend the incentive scheme for further period of 3 years when its current tenure ends in January 2022. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.